Getting hype when I aim up, elevating that game up, stepping up to the competition. Only first place, and that's how I'm living. I'm with it till they digging up my grave, eating all the things up on my plate. Game face when I step up into place. I was born and when I watched me elevate.
What is up, y'all? So we got a bunch of stuff in last night. Wasn't too crazy, but I'm gonna show you what's up. We're sitting in a new spot as of tonight. Obviously it's the 4th, so some of the stuff will make sense to y'all. The flags, we've got a lot more coming, so let's go through the lineup. You gotta do a burnout first. What is up, y'all? Happy 4th. Hopefully you guys had an awesome 4th of July weekend. We got a couple Mexico runs in for y'all. It's never planned. It's just something that we're trying to grow the street scene around here. And obviously it's just a byproduct of not having a track. It's not something we go out and plan to do. Sometimes people just want to race other people. And so I try to capture it with the ones that actually want it captured. There's a lot of races that don't get captured. We'll just say it. We'll just leave it at that. And I don't ever force these guys to do anything. It's not my thing. I just film it. So just want to thank each and every one of you. We finally made it to 1,000 subs, dude. That took forever, dude. It took me a long time. I work a full-time job, so you know, uploading videos here and there, and finally hitting it mean a lot more, I guess you should say. So thank you, each and every one of you guys. The 85 is not on the G8 yet, but we're gonna do that. Obviously, after this weekend, if I own the G8 that was in that video, I'll probably go hide somewhere because got embarrassed. Let's just be honest. But no, in all reality, that car is super quick. Big props to those guys. But if you guys like the content, definitely like, comment below what you guys want to see. Definitely comment who you think won that last race. That was really hard to call, super close. But yeah, I can't wait for us to get a track next year so we can actually go out and do this stuff legit. I don't push this street racing stuff, it's just something that happens. But hopefully you guys enjoy it. We're going to bring a lot more videos to you guys, and hopefully you guys keep enjoying the content. Who knows, maybe we'll get some merch. You know, this is just some old stuff I had made for me when I was out filming out at the track. So, but yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you keep smashing that like button, and I will keep bringing content to y'all. And like I said, I can't thank y'all enough. Thank you very much, and I will see y'all in the next one. Hell yeah. Peace out, y'all.